What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video. This video, you can do it yourself. I'm gonna show you how I did my clear windshield from my Ryker to the tint windshield. Make sure y'all hit that bell, like, comment, subscribe. Alright, YouTube. I went to about 5 different tint shops. Could not find a place to tint my windshield. So I'm just gonna tint it myself with some spray. If I mess my bike up, just get another windshield. So let me show you what I did real quick, because I'm finna get this done today. So let me show you exactly what I did. Alright, y'all already know I took that windshield off. You seen that. So I got me a hanger so I can hang it up, hang the windshield up, so I can spray paint it good. Don't laugh at me. You know, we're in the neighborhood. So this is the part I am gonna paint. I know, good rap. Talk to me. And we will be using, we're gonna use some of this nightshade. Probably gotta put about 4 coats, 5 coats maybe, but we finna do this ourselves, y'all. So today is Wednesday. Do it yourself Wednesday, like King Joffrey Joe say. Make sure y'all hit that bell for me. I'm finna hang it up and we finna get the paint. Yeah, YouTube, it's so much easier when I'm at work trying to do shit. No lie. Got the hanger hanging up. See Colleen right there. I ain't been underneath, but you know what that look like. But we're gonna get right to it, man. I told you this is what we need. I wasn't thinking about painting this, but just I went to so many different mechanics. I mean, stereo shops, they were like they didn't want to put the heating gun on the plastic. So my advice to you, try it. I just didn't want to melt the plastic. We'll see how this paint look. I didn't come prepared to paint. You see, I got a $350 hat on and my exclusive J's. I really didn't come to paint, but I'm off today, so let's get it done. All right, here go nothing. Like I say, this will be my mess up, nobody else's. I'm just giving it a light coat right now. Just a light coat.
What's the mile, sir?
We'll let that sit for a couple minutes. We'll have to give it about 3-4 more coats. We know that. Look like I'm fucking it up, but like I say, end of the day, who cares? Well, I just picked it up because it looked like I was putting too much. It was finna run off. So I gotta do a little bit more over here, it looks like. Hope it's done running. Spot right there and there. There, I laid it down. Hopefully that'll get some of them runs up out. So if you're watching this full video before you try to tint your windshield, just lay it down flat. That way you ain't gonna get no running like I did. But like I say, man, we ain't tripping. This bottle did cost like $19. This bottle did cost about $19, so yep. Let that sit a minute. I'm trying to spray some more. I just hope I didn't get none on the front. came out all right though. Look like we're gonna see the finishing touches in about 10 minutes. Make sure y'all hit that bell. Don't forget to subscribe. Big shout out to all the subscribers. All my three-wheel riders, shout out to y'all, man. The whole three-wheel crew, whatever. Shout out to y'all, but let's get right back to this video.
That shit smell like Patron in the can.
Patron in the can, huh?
Patron in the can.
All right. That's the last coat I'm gonna use. That's about number 5. Let that get right. See what it do. But we done with the finished product. I'm gonna let it dry a little bit more, but we're gonna take it and put it on. We're definitely gonna take it and put it on. So I didn't paint the outside, I painted the inside only. That's how the glass just look. Good.
That's the inside?
I painted the inside. Don't forget, you see the little runs, but that's just the inside. I ain't complaining. My radio gonna cover half of that. But the front, you could even probably hold it in the light, still can't really see through it, so. Let's get this on our bike, y'all. Cause I think I did an okay job. Yes, sir. Don't forget to hit that bell, like, comment, subscribe. We finna get this on the bike. I did this shit myself. Spray paint was $20. It ain't even spray paint, it's spray tint. $20, that's all I spent, so yeah. Do it yourself. If you want the clear windshield, that's on you, but give me this one. Give me this black thing. Alright, YouTube, let me know what y'all think about the tinted windshield. Like I say, I did it myself on a Wednesday. Show y'all. I only tinted the inside, that's why the glass part looked glassy. Let me show y'all the back part. It is dark. Can't see really through the front of it. But it's the finishing touch, finishing product. Let me know what y'all think. Jump in the comments. Give me a thumbs up. Would you do it yourself or would you left it clear? I just thought it looked better black. Hey, that's what we gonna roll with. Well, that was my video, YouTube, man. I hope you like it. I did it myself. Do it yourself, man. Make sure y'all hit that bell. Till next time, ride safe, stay safe. We out.
I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a dog. Every dog have his day, man. Every dog.
DJ Go. Suckers.